In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MailerLite email automation sequence. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that automatically sends an email the moment someone meets your chosen conditions. First, sign in and head to your MailerLite dashboard. From here, look for the automation section. This is where all your workflows live. Open it to see any existing automations and to create a new one. Start a new workflow by selecting Create. If you're prompted again, click Create once more to confirm you're making a fresh automation. You'll be asked to give it a name. Type a clear, descriptive title you'll recognize later, like Welcome Series or New Lead Nurture. Good naming keeps your account tidy and helps teammates know what this workflow does at a glance. Next, choose Start Building. You'll land on the automation canvas where you set your triggers and actions. Begin by selecting your trigger. Choose Joins Groups to start the workflow when someone is added to a specific group in your audience. Pick the group that best fits your goal, such as newsletter subscribers or leads from a particular forum. If your segments are well organized, your automations will stay relevant and clean. If you want the workflow to start from more than one event, click Add Second Trigger. Then choose the additional trigger that fits your use case from the list. This is optional, but it's handy if you have multiple entry points feeding the same sequence. Keep it focused so subscribers don't enter the same flow in unexpected ways. With triggers in place, add your first action. Select Send Email. You'll be prompted to provide an internal email name or subject. Type a concise label so you can quickly identify this email later in reports. You can refine the subject line and content as you go, but keep the internal name clear and consistent with your workflow title. When you're done with that prompt, confirm to continue. You'll see your trigger and email action connected on the canvas, which lets you visualize how contacts will move through the sequence. Review the setup to ensure the right group and conditions are selected and that your send step looks correct. Finally, turn the workflow on by choosing Save and Activation. This publishes your automation so new subscribers who match your trigger will immediately start receiving the email. If you ever need to pause or update it, return to Automations, make your edits, and reactivate when ready. That's it. Your MailerLite email automation sequence is live and ready to work for you.